Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. Today is Tuesday, April the 9th, and today I want to talk to you the good and the bad about using leaves as mulch on your garden. Now the first photo that you're going to see here is where I planted some broccoli. This is going to be on March the 17th, I believe it was. And what I done, I just raked the leaves back and took my seedlings that I had and just planted them in the ground as normal, and I raked the leaves back over, and they were doing good for a while, but as you can see here a little bit later, things changed. You see the plant is completely missing. It is gone. You can't hardly see it. There is a little hole right there, and this hole is caused by voles. V-O-L-E-S. I'm going to show you a picture of them here in a few minutes, but those critters can do more damage to a garden than you can ever imagine, and they just take the whole plant and just eat the whole plant. The whole plant goes missing. Here's a picture of the voles as you see them. I took this off the internet, and they're like little mice, but they are notorious for eating plants. Just wanted to let you know that the problem with the voles is I have a big problem with it, and I know they've got to eat just like I do, but they can eat somewhere else, preferably not my plants. So I'm trying to figure this out. So I just wanted to tell you the good and the bad about using leaves on the garden, and this is one of the bad things. One of the good things is that it causes earthworms and everything else to take, and all the critters and everything under the ground, good critters, to take and help your garden. Anyway, thanks again for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. You have a good day and happy gardening.